A share boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the precise past week, acquiring 5.23% in a huge manner. The cost of a share limitlessness essentially rose by 0.94% in the past 24 hours in a by and large enormous manner. As far as Axie's support floor, it truly is currently $10.21, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie truly has its truly next obstruction at $11.87. So as far as Axie's support floor, it for the most part is currently $10.21, which by and large is very huge. 19 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through a share boundlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on some things, facts. What sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for a share vastness really is acts as a very wise interest in an especially large manner. A share endlessness support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very critical. Yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Axie's specialized examination, truly led us by and large discussion about the exceptionally current economic situations, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, especially let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in an unpretentious manner. The kind of complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $30,093,017,822, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, explicitly let us essentially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the Axie's specialized examination in every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the extremely current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. Which really is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB especially, is up by 0.18 and as of now exchanging at $240.64, which especially is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, sort of allowed us generally to discuss the sort of current economic situations, showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Axie's specialized examination, fundamentally let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions for the most part show that the market generally is going in an extremely descending bearing for certainly present moment, exhibiting what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a very broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that as far as Axie's support floor, it in every practical sense is presently $10.21 in an unpretentious way. A share boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially is very huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers explicitly become more dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters move truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in a significant manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of Axie limitlessness, Axies, Axie endlessness execution. The day-to-day outline of Axie boundlessness basically shows that the Axie's cost has basically flooded up with a 0.94% expansion in truly beyond 24 hours, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axie's coin fundamentally is remaining at $6.33. With market capitalization $757,371,422 United States dollars, which especially shows that 19 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually basically got clarification on some things, facts. What generally is transient cost expectation for Axie vastness, in every way that really matters, is Axie's an essentially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's cost changes 5.23% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $43,259,221 United States dollars, which in a real sense shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the Axie's specialized examination, for the most part allowed us to discuss the very current economic situations, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense profound into the Axie's specialized examination, truly let us explicitly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Axie boundlessness value examination Axie's cost examination for 19 July 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span, for the most part, made sense of beneath in a by and large significant manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the Axie limitlessness, showing that Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 5.23% in an exceptionally enormous manner. The Axie vastness by and large has basically break all its supports levels, and things in every practical sense are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, which really is very critical. Right now, bears most certainly are in charge of the market and effectively most certainly take Axie's cost underneath the critical help level of $10.21.